Say. Hi. Uncle， 你给他看到 uncle。还要吗？还要吗？
现在熟一点了没？
还要吗？还要吗？
熟一点吗？
要。哎，有没有叫爷？叫爷爷。有没有叫妹妹？妹妹叫
妹妹阿公嘛，吼。
还会叫阿公，对。哎，这里面你是阿公啊，叫阿公啦。
叫阿公啊。爸爸。
阿爸不熟就会这样。
对呀。啊。小孩子都是这样。
你看妹妹那么可爱，你看。最小的姐姐，你是最小，你是最小，好可爱耶！你是最小，那边有个小姐姐。
对呀，她几个月都当姐姐哈。
差几个月也是姐姐。那小姐姐。OK， 找妈咪找妈咪。最小的。Yeah。哇。别动。Let's go。装的了。
你在吃啊？他们在吃了。对啊，都没吃。要不要吃鸡翅
？Okay, I want to eat some chicken too, John. What's over there? On the side, there's shrimp and fish.
你要可乐还是水？可乐。
哎，那 chicken 的话就直接手去吃，对。
手踩一下那边。
哎。
它这个空的都是手。
What's this debate about package? Oh my god. I almost barbecued my 360. Barbecue my 360. I'm gonna stitch it together. You'll see what this is gonna look like. Very good.
You put honey on it.
He looks like a very good chef. Oh, she's a cook? Okay. Wow, I almost feel like I forgot days like this in US.
College days?
No, like beach days. Like I've been like Taiwan for like quite some time. Kind of forget like how it feels like back then when I was at the beach.
Even beach days usually don't have bonfires.
Yeah, we do. We used to do at Corona Del Mar in Newport Beach. But not this late though. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Come on, say cheese. 好热啊！
很像吗？
他们两个很像嘛，只是有一个长头发，一个短头发。
真的吗？
他本来想说，他把我女儿拿出来说，是他第4个女孩，第4个女儿。
我真的第4个。
他把她送回台湾的。
还有那个番薯哦。
那边都是番薯。
那个台湾的那个。好哎，好吃。
Say hi to camera.
哎，你不要放那边，你这个会坏热到。
Barbecue 360.
No, I know, but it's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be very
melt
hot.
That thing.
I know.
You should move it. Not there.
I thought Kevin was going to bring his drone. 你不是喜欢练习你的 drone?
The drone.
这边可以吗？海边可以吗？
海边应该可以吧？
抽一档。对。
可是它不是有那个什么？
啊，不要紧。
对啊，不是有什么那个？
我或者觉得现在这个
regulation 呀。
很难控制吗？
应该所有的地区不可以。
我说控制很难控制吗？
很简单。DJI 这样简单。
怎么了？好热。
我让他坐在旁边吃。
这吃完了吗？就这边吗
No.
No? Okay.
The bones you could just throw in the middle.
Oh, really?
Those are just the cooked ones, done ones.
Okay. A bone.
Right here is
I don't know if this satisfies the requirement only votes or not. Not really.
Think of the starving children in other countries.
Pick one. I mean, starving children in Taiwan. Hi, Allie. Are you the starving children? 对，他自己在学校 train her。他们学校是什么？那种 Montessori， 可是应该是不是真的 Montessori school， 但是就是那种会朝这个方向去一个东西这样。就是我觉得他们 too young to learn。
Yeah, but no,我说了，有时候他们都是早餐都 book 了。So,
Maybe for the
丢哪里？
啊，现在全部
袋子里面那个袋子丢在这里，丢在这里。哦，丢在这里面。它软。
Is that right? Okay.
现在很多人啊。
对啊，你看你后面是多一个。
Cool.
Johnny说 he misses like the beach days with the campfire.
He didn't. I believe college.
No, like last few years ago, I always go to the one in Santa Monica, a private one. They wanted to pay $15 to get in.
That one doesn't have that many fire pits.
No, that one won't allow you to have fireplace. It doesn't allow you to have fireplace.
I don't know.
因为我记得 Huntington Beach 以前没有这个 fire pit，
然后现在很多。
现在有。他们之前就是因为那个好像是 resident 不喜欢吧。
你要吃的吗？
好。
还有那个，他不好。
Teresa 很厉害。
他擦乳液。
你是那个风筝第一个飞上去的。
擦了之后比较好飞，也很难。
因为每家
还有一个 unicorn。
So hot over there, John. So hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
What was the whole debate about leaving early or packing or what?
Oh no. 这是会跟着人动的那个。
不是。就是。
How you guys were like,
你没有看那个吗？
这
里不会太烫。
上次那个谁结婚你没有去啊？
They had a
蔡伟霆那个陈伟霆啊。
Oh, we do too.
陈伟霆啊。
I was like, I was working, packing at the Girl Dance Club, and getting gas,
360
and went to went to buy baby diaper. Well, because it's a swimwear for babies. It's not the regular diaper.
I didn't hear that.
对啊。
这是影片吗？
对啊，就影片到时候上传 YouTube 的时候，你就可以弄那个 Gago 看360。对。下次以后那个征婚的话，我们可以用这360。
Oh, you're going back to the room?
I want to wait a little bit though. 没有啊。哦，他有他比小孩子对8个小孩洗澡。I'm actually a good temperature like that.
I like cold. I think anything above 16.
Yeah. 连他爸爸会吃，这个会不会太热？
会。
对啊，你的脸都有点烫。
第一次用就把它烧掉。
对啊，你要放在你那个位置最好。然后他自己这样。
我刚很怕要去拿这个，然后去拿去 barbecue。
没有，他那个镜头镜。
It's recording.
哦。
就有点太烫。
I don't think it's I just cooking my feet.
它不会很热吗 ？Are you hanging out with Uncle John? Oh gosh, so hot. Hang out with Uncle John.
不觉得吗？
对啊，他
看起来像 Irene， 然后很 chill 一样。
他跟我一样很喜欢吃。
他看起来很像我，但是心里是跟 Irene 一样。
Charlie, chicken. 你回台湾，你应该去夜市吃一点那个鸡屁股，
猫蜜汁的那种，这里
或是那个一串那个鸡皮。
你知道我们现在台湾，
是七里香吧 ？Oh my god！他在那个夜市啊，他第一个就是看七里香。我想说 ，Oh my god！ 第一次不敢吃，他好爱吃。
这个你看，这个也很爱吃啊。
他在吃那个。